Hi everyone, this is Lori from happybirdsglitternest.blogspot.com, and this morning I'd like to share a little Aliexpress haul that I received. I was very happy with everything, so I thought I would show it to you. Now I will put links to everything that I show today on my blog. Just scroll down past all my free patterns, and when you see a picture of this video, then all the links will be right there for you, okay? And before I start, please forgive me for my voice. I woke up with it a little gravelly again, so please bear with me. Alright, so the first thing I received in a sealed vinyl bag were these beautiful little 14mm flower sew-on buttons, and they are flat back, as you can see. They're a nice size. I purchased these for flower centers, and I hope that these aren't turning out dark under this light here. I know sometimes silver and gold, I find it difficult to film because it comes out so dark compared to what it is. And these are 50 pieces for $2.65, and they are the clear AB. Now they had them in many other colors. In fact, I'm going back and I'll probably buy some pink and some in the aqua colors. I think that they'll be pretty as well. Okay, so I'm going to set this aside. I'll just pull these out right here. Then I received these beautiful little flat back rhinestone buttons. Let me get them out here. And these are 19mm, so they're a little small, but they're very pretty. And I bought them in the light pink. They were selling these in the light pink and dark pink, and so I went for the light. These were also $2.65 with shipping for 10 pieces, and they're 19mm. So I thought they were just beautiful. I don't know if you can see that. Be up close. Okay. And both of these blingy rhinestone buttons that I just showed to you, they took about 3 weeks to arrive. I'm not sure how long it would take now since we're getting closer to Christmas, but that's how long it took for me. Then I purchased these beautiful little filigree connectors, and you can use them as connectors for your bracelets, necklaces, earrings. I got them in a kind of a antique gold and then a bright silver. I like the bright silver. I don't like the silver that looks kind of dingy. I don't know exactly what you would call it. But for each one of these bags, with shipping included, they were about $2. And I'll show you the filigree connectors up close. They have a lot of detail to them. Oops, that's the back. So I thought they were very pretty, and I'm planning on making some Christmas earrings with that. I might go ahead and just record that and post that in a couple weeks. These are 16mm by 8mm by 4mm. Okay, so let me put these back aside. And those took 3 weeks to arrive. And these right here, let's see, these are the vintage flower connectors that I purchased from Aliexpress. And I really thought that they were lovely, very well made. I'll turn these over. Sorry, I'm making a little noise here doing this. Okay. And that you could purchase these individually, like all silver or all gold, but I went with a mixed bag. And these, let's see, how much did I pay for these? I have it written down. For 30 pieces, I paid $1.90, and that included shipping. And these are 19mm by 14mm. So I just thought they were really lovely, very detailed. I'll show these to you up close. Okay, so I'll put these aside. Those took 3 weeks to arrive as well. Then I received a package of these beautiful and they little oval-shaped flat back rhinestones. And these are the little sew-on buttons, but I use them for other projects. They had these in a multitude of colors, and see how they're packaged individually, which is really nice. So let me get my scissors and open this. I purchased this in aquamarine. That's the color they were calling this. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Now, let's see. For the oval sew-on buttons, these are 13mm by 8mm. I received 20 pieces for $2.77, and that included shipping. Like I said, they had many other colors. Most likely, I'll go back and order more in other colors as well. And I just thought they were really nice to put on your little blingy projects. Well worth the price. Now, I will tell you, these took about 6 weeks to arrive. They did come, and they were packaged beautifully, but it did take about 6 weeks. So if you're wanting these for Valentine's Day projects or something like that, then I would go ahead and order now, so you should have them by the end of December. Okay. And let's see. Oh. I purchased these beautiful tassels with the gold caps. They have them in silver caps as well, but I tend to go more for the gold caps. I'm not sure why. But I bought these in red and white because I wanted to do some more of those little golden book type ornaments. So, and they're very nice, very nice. I paid, let's see, these are 38mm. You get 50 pieces of each color for about $4 each with shipping. Now they do have a mixed one, but I kind of liked the red and the white. I tended to use a lot of that with this particular ornament project, and so that's what I went for. And besides that, when you order mixed colors, you're not guaranteed to really get what you want. I mean, I might get, let's say I order 20 in the mixed, and I might get 5 orange, and I really have no use for orange. It's not a color I work with. So you got to ask yourself, is it really worth buying the mixed because you just don't know what you'll get. So I was very pleased with these as well. These took 3 weeks to arrive, so I'll set these aside. And I ordered some of these 6x6 sheets of Christmas paper, and it arrived well packed. But one thing I didn't think about when I ordered these, and I should have checked, is that they are not double-sided. Okay, they are a nice weight. They have very pretty prints. They came well packed, but it took 6 weeks to arrive, and I was really wondering if it was going to come. It came. Let's see, it was, it's a 24 pack, and it was $5.41 with shipping. So you get 2 of each print. I'll go through this quickly. So there's 24 pieces in all. And it is very pretty paper, and I'll still use this on different things and tags, but I didn't think about checking to see if it was double-sided. And this, very pretty prints. And this, and this. Okay, so I'll set this aside. So that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this little haul. I'll be using those blingy little buttons and the little rhinestone flowers that I showed you at the beginning in tomorrow's craft project. So be sure to check that out. And thank you so much for staying with me. And thank you for watching. God bless you, each one of you. Bye-bye.